iPulse case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So I want to give them a special shout out for sending this over. So let's dive right in. I have this other bag here. And in here, okay, we have some bubble wrap. And looks like we have a letter here from iPulse. Looks like a personalized letter when you buy their cases. So you can pause the video if you want to check that out. Put that to the side. And this is the case itself. Let me smell this real fast. Ah, yes. Genuine leather. Styrofoam. Put that to the side. Rat poison. Put that to the side also. And here's the case itself. Fully leather. You have your cutouts here for your earpiece. On the bottom, you have your cutout. You have your clasp right here. So when you close the case, there you go. And in the back, you have your cutout for your fingerprint scanner, dual camera setup, etc. You have stitching here so you can see. Stitching right here also. And stitching along the edges. Leather feels nice and supple. Opening it up, inside you have a TPU case. Inside here is a nice felt material, nice and soft. And on the left side of the case, room for 3 cards. Put your driver license on the first one, put some cards on the other 2, or however you want to do it. UNICEF, Unite for Children. What is this? Lifetime warranty. Pretty good. And this one, iPulse, shared the art of leather, and some information here about the case. And UNICEF, do not return, okay, some information here. Put that to the side. And this is the case. Take my Note 9, and it should just snap right on. Nice and snug. Check out the button tactility, power button, nice and tactile. So you can see volume rocker. Let's test that out real quick. Nice and tactile. So you can see the volume change on the ringtone. And the Bixby button. Bixby works, but I don't use it, so I'm gonna close it. Closing the case. And it does not open up. Access to your fingerprint scanner and your cameras. That should not be a problem. And on the bottom, you have your cutouts. So we'll take a look at that one more time. Headphone jack, USB Type-C, speaker, mic, S Pen, which let's test out right now. Access to the S Pen. So you can see, not a problem. You can also use this case as a kickstand, just like this. So you can watch your media when you're out and about. Pretty cool. Overall, a very high quality case from iPulse, a high quality leather, something a little bit more fancy. You get something like this, pretty nice. So if you guys are interested in this case, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below. And once again, shout out to iPulse for sending this over for review. Thanks for watching. Peace out.